What's the meaning of BS? BS. BS.
BS. BS. The term BS is an abbreviation often used to refer to the phrase bullshit. It is a slang term that is considered vulgar and inappropriate in most formal settings. The phrase is typically used to describe something that is false, misleading, or exaggerated. Using the acronym BS can be seen as a way to express disbelief or frustration with a situation or statement that seems untrue or insincere. However, it is important to use appropriate language in different contexts, and using vulgar language like BS in professional or academic settings could be perceived as unprofessional or disrespectful.